you pull any of your crazy shit with us, you flash a piece out on the lanes, I'll take it away from you and stick it up your ass and pull the fucking trigger till it goes click. Jesus.
Ish, I did it again, as usual. How to be him, I'll make a tutorial, post it on YouTube. You ain't fooling nobody, we know you get money cause you doing voodoo. I'm tryna get lit off the niggas who bumping my shit on they Bluetooth. You wanna be forced to ya nyama ungafuni yegela. You can say what you want if
Sangena. Wala wafethu. Ngakahlali phansi. This is your boy CJ. Feel. Wala wafethu. This is Big Billy, the biggest Bali in the building. Back again on MSL podcast, and this is episode number 8, season 2. Fanele ngaleli ukuthi ihlale phansi. Sithi ola la. Patience is running thin. Patience is running thin. Ngikwatile. Uzondeleni ngato. Ngato kuzaphuma isigaqa. Wayedipa kabuya ngikwatile. But uthi waye ngaboyanga umdala. Hayi. Ngikwazi yami ukuthi kusuke kwabanjani phakathi. Ambuzanga kade khona ngani. Hayi. Uyanthola? Bekunje ndoda bekukuningi bekuyisibhubhubhu. Hayi. Yakuza so okay, before sifika endabeni zabo Shakes Less, abo Vigro Deep, I don't know, in other events that have happened, ne? First sikhuluma ngama events basically and the likes. You know, the other day I mentioned ukuthi Black Apollo wants to do like a collaboration with MSL.
Yeah, and he said something about him, whoever does the best video with the song, I think.
The song is called Goons, the one that recently came out, and there's been like a video and stuff, but he said that's like not the official video of the music.
No, it's just
it was just like, I don't know, it's maybe for promoting the music. I don't know what these artists be doing. So some of the things they don't really like explain, but he said that things just for like promoting vibes kind of a thing. So then he said like he wants to collaborate with us. So basically what's happening, what is going to happen is it's going to be a challenge. I don't know from what day to what day. He hasn't like given me like the poster yet, but he's planning it to be like a big thing whereby even people who are in Zimbabwe currently or in South Africa or in Botswana, Mozambique, because he was saying he wants it to be like Southern African kind of open competition even for people who are here, or it could go beyond like the borders of Southern Africa, you know. So basically what he's saying is anyone in particular can like do a video, whether it's a reel,
using his song,
whether it's a reel or it's a TikTok.
Whoever does the best reel or TikTok will be rewarded.
I don't know, he said like 200 for the winner, so the winner is going to be probably like announced, because he said he's going to announce the winner like on a live platform.
Public platform, okay.
Yeah, so I don't know much like, but he was talking about it being on the papers, a car, like he's spoken to some newspaper guys, some other big shots there, you know. He said he's spoken to some influential figures and the youths back home, and he's looking for quite some numbers here in Ireland as well. I don't know influencers in Ireland, you know. But you know, I could try my best to be like, okay guys, DJ Apollo is doing this competition. Well, the poster comes out, we'll share it with you guys, probably drop it on our MSL Instagram page. Yeah, so yeah, that's about the competition. make a video, you make a TikTok, or it's a reel, I don't know, between to whatever you choose. So he's saying a combination of likes, dislikes, I don't know about comments, but likes, dislikes, and what you call this, views, combination of those things, the one who comes up on top is the winner. So guys, if you are interested in the competition, please do reach out, talk to Black Apollo.
No, I left it on the
through
table,
social media like
Okay.
Instagram, Facebook. I think on Facebook it goes by the name of Mark Sips, something like that. So yeah, guys, if you have any more questions in relation or regarding to this competition being hosted by Black Apollo, please don't feel afraid to reach out to him. Dango. Then yeah, I'll skip past the competition. Indaba zakho zokuzonda. How was the event?
The event in general, be grand.
Out of 10, how would you rate it?
Had I been sober, I would have been bored because, first of all, yeah, gig Ileana was from 10 till 3.
Yeah.
In fact, 3 akachai. To 3 konarabo. So that's
Yeah.
like 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3.
5
so that's
hours.
4 hours and some minutes rather. In this issue.
Yeah, 4 hours.
Yabo?
Yeah.
No hate for the event organizers or any, but part of our job is to tell it as it is, right?
Yeah.
There was no proper planning.
No proper planning in terms of what?
Time frames for isikhathi zabantu abadlalayo,
Ama-slot.
ama-slot.
Yeah.
Ayeke phela uthi abafana bami bedlala libuye lizofuna ukusikhipha estagini singakafiki even 20 minutes sidlala. How is that possible?
Like bekunabo DJ abangaki like.
Bruh, there were a lot of people who had to.
On the list.
There were a lot of people who had to play. Apparently, me I didn't know. Okay,
Mm.
but obviously you saw I'm a post and told Perez was supposed to perform. I don't think he did.
Yeah. 2 kids.
Tukid was supposed to perform. I don't think he did.
No, but I feel like they always do this to like Berezi and 2 kids.
Two all roots. Bafikira abadlala ingoma ezithu babakhipha.
Hi,
Ndoda into etibe yenzakala laphana ne. Mfethu.
Ingoma ezingu-2.
Literally 2 songs, dog. It's not funny, dog. It's not funny because why ne?
Okay. it's
Angeke Jackie. Nah, it's not funny. It's not funny on a serious note.
not- Alright.
It's not.
Sorry.
Because first of all, ne, amajita ane talent isibali ne.
Yeah.
Angeke bathi ba investile nabo. You don't know ukuthi bathatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi basuke lapha basuka khona ukuthi bebuye bezodlala lapha. And then libadlalisa ingoma ezithu. It's not their fault for unprofessionalism eyenzakale lapha.
Yeah,
Bona they
definitely.
were booked DJs bafike ngokudlala into abayidlalayo.
Yeah.
So uthi bekumele kuyenzakaleni akufuni bona as ama artists.
Okay, let's say if bekulo Vigro ke bekuzohamba njani.
That's why ngisho ukuthi nami if ade kuno vibrance akwazi. But qale ngabona nama bounce andoda break ushexen leso ukuthi bangene VIP. Like nje bekuyisibhubhubhu ndoda like. Ndoda ngeke ndoda wena ubreak iartist ndoda.
Bese kucela kakhulu.
Besides ukuthi gcwele kakhulu ndoda. I don't care ukuthi uyi security in, but you're supposed to know the people abazo performa
Yeah.
lapha ngani. So angeke ukuthi ushekeni lesi ndoda bazongena VIP uba break. Like in there was a lot happening, but
maybe abawatshelanga like we couldn't recognize our shakes and less and the likes.
Angiyazi.
Phela laphana wonke umuntu ebegqoke ezimnyama, most of abantu labo bebegqoke ezimnyama.
But shouldn't there be tickets to differentiate between people who are going to VIP and the masses?
Yakhona ngithi kulama thana ama ribbon lawo.
Angiyazi lama ribbon, but the masses and VIP. I don't think ukuthi kumele kube nama-tickets are different. Lalaba abatshela ukuthi bagade VIP batshela ukuthi no, thina nigada abantu abagqoka ama-wristband akanje. Anyone else with a different color of wristband is not coming inside this section.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. Proper management was short lapha.
Le ke birthday kaThandi T le kade semini.
Ngifike ngabo-6, so I wouldn't know much of the details,
From
but
6 to 10, that's like 4 hours. You experience something.
4 hours, yeah. No, but ngifike ngabo-6 to 7, so nakhona safika saqala sahlala ngaphandle parking. So, but overall I did have a good time, yeah, but the problem started when abafana bami sebedlala sebekumele ukhitshwe estagini.
Sebesukelani kade?
That's why ngithi isikhathi phela. Isikhathi was not on their time, on the side.
Is I think is okay.
Uyahlanya 20 minutes udlala. 20 minutes udlala ingoma ezingaka PK.
Udlala.
Ingoma eyi1 if izoba 5 minutes.
Udlalile ezingufika.
Indoda. We don't sharpen our talent.
Phela ne. Obviously angithi thini main headline of the night is Shakes and this. Do vakroka sabo yanga yabona.
So ngitshela ukuthi wonke umuntu
ngeke phela labo ama local DJ. Yeah, of course kwamele badlale, but then phela khangela ma wena uzafuna abantu abo DJ bakho badlale more than 20 minutes, maybe 20 to 30 ne.
Okay, wait.
Kuyabuya ulindane la ilindane ne.
Bathi nguba mamela before udlulela futhi la ne. Into eyenzakala island yacava yini ne? They gather those few individuals, rather DJs, right?
Yeah.
And then they want to promote those selected DJs, and then they forget about everyone else. If you know what I'm saying.
Yanyanya kuzwisisa ukutsho ukuthi like,
let me make an example. When I was DJ ne, nami ngiwu DJ. And then they prioritize you kakhulu ukuthi wena udlale. But mina ke ngeke ngithi senidlale 5 minutes ne or 15 minutes yona le sontshela ukuthi somele kuphume, somele ungene uBK njani. Then uBK uzadlala isikhathi esinganani? uBK afika adlale maybe 45 to an hour. So how is that fair?
So basically got the favoritism. But then why would you invite a DJ to a gig and say, come play my gig? Then like we were saying QR roots ne bafike laphana badlaliswe
literally two songs abazidlalileyo.
2 songs. It is not like uzayidlala ingoma yonke lana 5 minutes.
Exactly my point.
Maybe udlale 4 minutes, 5 minutes tops. 2 songs zakhe, it is maybe 7 minutes.
So that's why ngisho ukuthi mina first things first ne if bekuya ngami labo badlalile emini badlalelani futhi la sebusuku. Why?
But then look at it this way.
No, mamela phela phela
antu sambuzile umbuzo wathi why phela ngithi angibalweli o bafakazela nzima but look at it in this way, in the sense that angazi ukuthi maybe bakubhadala imali for abo DJ bakho ukuthi abo DJ bazotwanyaza lapha yabo. But if I'm a promoter, I'm having the afternoon gig, you're having the evening gig, ne? Probably there's a certain amount of money I invested kono kana kutabuye ndoda lawe yabona lapha nabantu bayeqayeqa lawe yabomnike the same amount of money yabo, in the sense of ukuthi obvious wena ungumuntu ne you have your DJs, like maybe top 5 prioritized DJs ukuthi ngiyathatha run bafake lapha siyakhala yabo. But omunye umuntu like uyabe sekubona ukuthi lapha nanzadla imali kuThandi T emini ngidla imali ngale yabo.
Okay, sharp. As much as ukhuluma ngokuthi imali ngapha la ngapha
nepart. Angithi wena uthe umuntu udlala njani emini
My point is abanye abantu, how should they showcase their talent if kuhlezi kupushwa the very same people all the time?
Kupushwa kathi lo pushwayo.
No, mawuthatha ubheka ndoda ne bheka nawe I line up every time. always one and the same people. How about other people? Ukuthi okay, badlalile
Alright,
mini ne.
ngiubuze ke mbuzo lo nanti afuna ukuthi. So ku-wrong ukuthi uLindani lo uyafakwa vele.
No, uLindani akekho wrong ukuthi uyafakwa ne.
Lo Lins.
Akekho wrong ukuthi uyafakwa ne.
Mostly mangibheka Lins, Lindani I've mostly seen almost gig throughout the
Angiyali, okay.
yabona.
Maybe that might be because of i-talent labo, or that might be because of i-management yabo. Kukayi-two.
Yeah.
Kukayi-two. But not ukuthi I'm saying they are not good DJs. They are good DJs.
Yeah.
But mina, what I'm saying is ikhekhe kwamele silidle sonke. That's the point. Yanthola?
Yeah.
Mele silidle sonke kungabi nokuthi you've got this, you've got that, yanthola? Angiyali sonke sozama ukupush into eyi-one part. What I'm
Yeah.
saying is, nah, it's not the fault yama artists, right? It's not the fault yama artists, but the fault is kuma promoters, event organizers.
So when I blame Delight, la ukuthi
Blame muntu, but what I'm
no,
saying
I
is the
the
professionalism.
fault phela is with
Professionalism
Yeah.
is very
we
mandatory.
have a blame phela maybe ba wrong
I'm
in
not
this
blaming
in
anyone.
this instance.
I'm not blaming
Phela
anyone. Don't get me wrong.
umuntu ndoda mistakes are common. First of all, you can make a mistake, and when I might not see it as a mistake, but then omunye umuntu is the one who can see your mistake and come and correct it.
Yawazi ufana nani, for example,
Phela kwamele
mana
sikhulume so
mameli,
khathesi
mana ngitshele
yabo.
mina njengokuthi
Kuyafana no right city so khathesi ku west side anti bathi singasabali le outdoor event which is coming on the 1st of June ne. Let's look at the Oscar Mbodo Scott Maphume ebuyayo ne. It's in August, I'm not sure of the
23rd
date.
of
Yeah.
August.
Yabo. Same day khona phana anti maybe event kuzathwa yaqala ngabo 10 khona pha. Yabo if onganga ukuthi thina singakwanisi ukuthi sikhulumele as abantu abazo attend, yabo. But hayi guys, aba DJ labelo bafaka la like sike sakutsho futhi earlier this season ukuthi aba DJ laba liyabagcwalisa la libagcwalise la, yabo.
But isikhathi sakhona sincane, so
Eh.
that's my chat.
Ukuthi
That's my
phela
chat
ngitsho
ukuthi
ukuthi
professionalism. Professionalism PK. You can't say when ukuthi all right. Sizafaka line up igcwale so. But gig is 4 hours and some minutes. So how many minutes should each individual perform?
khona kuvela mele ba cut it down amo DJ in the sense of
Simple.
ukuthi yeah maybe kungabe kule favorite yabo nale abayipushayo yantona right limfake nini laba abanye lingababesi because then
Cause manje you
Uyazisa
don't know,
omunye umntwana ubuhlungu, phela
besides
ukuthi
umzisa
njani.
ubuhlungu ne, you don't know ukuthi umuntu lo bekalamanye ama plans perhaps.
maybe uyalenye gig
Uyale enye gig maybe or bekalamanye ama plans. Ufika uzomdlalisa ingoma ezi2. That was sad, dog. I don't wanna lie to you. Angeke wena uthi usahloma i-USB nje kan uthi usudlala ingoma eyi1 uchaye transition udlale yini babezwe ukutshela ukuthi uphume stage. Jay, that was very, and maybe ngi wrong for ukwakhulumela amajita ne, but
no you're not wrong
as
everyone
nami
is entitled
nami
to
khona
their
abantu
own
engibamanager yabo,
opinion, yabo.
nami khona abantu engibamanager and ade ngeke ngikuvume kunjalo nje, ade ngikuvume kunjalo phela. That's why ngithi maybe ama promoters nama organizers, they don't understand the amount of time and effort and money that is put to sharpen a skill, dog. Ziningi into esizenzayo nje ukuthi si perfect craft isibali.
obsession
Into engisho, there's a lot of things we do to perfect the craft isibali. A lot of things we go out of our way in our pockets. I'm not blaming anyone, we're supposed to ne,
Terrence,
But-
FaceTime video.
but
Yeah.
people should be professional.
yeah
People should be professional. And all,
yeah
nothing more, nothing less. But yeah, overall, the gig you're very successful. But how about laba bangadlalanga? That was what I was saying. Uthi laba bangadlalanga ke, who was supposed to?
so initially kulaba abanye badlala ama 2 songs kulabanye phela abangadlalanga.
Or rather, have you ever thought of it like this? What if they make posters so that
Like to attract
people.
like they always doing this to Berries.
because I think mina since uBerries ngaba mazi, I think there's only one time I've seen uBerries perform.
and that
Once.
event I wasn't there, but like
But most of ama
Yeah.
post ukhona and I've only seen him
njani
once.
umfana limfaka njani kanti Yeah, because I saw the thing and I posted it on the MSL Instagram page, like I think a day or two before the event. It's like our boy is going there, you know, let's just show him some support as MSA. Even though I wasn't there, you know, I was just like, let me just show the boy some support, yeah. Maybe kulo munye umuntu ongayibonanga that poster yabona nenza ipost yabo, just to spread awareness and stuff. So ndoda so ngiyambuza lapho Sunday izolo ukuthi mfethu, did you play? Did you do your set and stuff? He's like, no. And I'm like, 2 kid gay. He's like, no. Same time, yeah, actually, they did the same thing to him by Brando's Fisher. I don't know if he did the same thing to him or what, because then it's the same thing. Because there's 2 performers, there's 8 DJs plus the main of the night.
So that's why, how was it gonna work? Limited time. That's what I'm saying. It timetable igcwele so. But this card is
okonye can I credit it ukuthi ngithi Delight has been maybe out of the game lana island. I don't know, maybe UK baby push into yawo and stuff, yabo. Maybe them being out of the game has, you know, accredited that miscalculation, whatever, like into ezingahlelekanga like as such, yabo. But then from imbono yabanye abantu, yeah, they did have a nice time. They enjoy the.
That's why ngithi overall bekumnandi, don't get it twisted.
Yeah.
It was my most of the times, or rather because last year my boys were underrated and shit, ne? So it was my first time to encounter Integanje. Because there were fights left, right and center, not physical fights but verbal fights. In terms of kumele kudlale wena PK after, ne?
Yeah, I think you told me something like Raymond Ching or something like that.
No, doesn't matter. But what I'm saying is, no, there's some things omelanga khulunywa lawe.
Alright. Ngiyabuza mina.
There's some things angamelanga zikhulunywe. That's why I said some things happen there ukuthi alright, let's just say umfana kan utholile time free sheet ye time slots, ne?
Yeah.
Thina sitholanga. Ne? Sithi sifika bathi bafana ngenani edlalana. Sadlala bubuye bezositshela isikhathi sethu sichayile njani. Wonke umuntu has got i-timetable yithi sote singelayo. Why? So ngathi manje yithi unprofessionally, so ngathi yithi siyaludlalisa abanye abantwana.
Nina mabalincisha timetable.
Bear in mind
ngicelile. Balikhangelela phansi.
Ngicelile.
But it's like the same thing kade sikhuluma, like angithi wena ubusithi wena awusabuyanga laphana and stuff, ne? As I'm not saying we are professional yet or what, ne, but in conducting our businesses and services, ne, if you want a particular DJ or you want a service of somebody, ne, there has to be a great time and venue.
Simple.
For instance, yes, Vela, okay, yeah, your time slot maybe is 9:30 to 10, ne? As in clear ngikwazi khona ukuthi already in the 30 minutes zami lapha I can try and play as many songs as I can in that 30 minutes, uyangithola. But then makuba ilokho ukuthi kuzathwa ngena fa hayi sungaphuma
bese ne confusion because wonke umuntu amele adlale phela.
But then I felt like into le before ikhuluma ne into le we spoke about it lo mngane wami la ngeSaturday, ne, si relaxile la, so we're asking ourselves before I saw that Vicro thing ukuthi akasabuyi and stuff, yabo. So besibuzana ntanithi abo Jackson desibazabuya ndoda. I think it was Friday, yeah. Ngithi into lezi but abo Delight njani abathemba, yabo. And I think so Vicro njani ngoyo ngabuya since vele
ule European tour.
Yeah, vele Europe tour the date vele lana eDublin vele ekhona since yabo. Ngithi angazi nje into yakhona lakho makuthi umuntu uzahamba yabo ngiyathenga khona ngale emnyango itikiti or something yabona but bengakhangelelanga kangaka vele ukuhamba
mara nami ngiyasho ukuthi no yabona
But
delight in them yabo
kuba wrong like
bengiba
then
like
abantu
I really
njalo.
had my faith.
Because then
All of
I
it,
think it
I'm fine.
creates unnecessary beef in the sense of ukuthi let's say maybe idichuone
That's why ngithi
Yes,
into le they
imele
don't understand
idlale
what it
after le.
does to the artists themselves because
Ijuwe
kube ngathi sokune
sokuthi,
beef
labano
Yabe ngathi sokune
JT
beef
and
ukuthi
Godfather
badlalile
badlala
Alex wadlala
badlala
uLT wadlala waphinda lo Lindani badlala baphinda
Hayi,
about abanye abantwana nje
so laba badlala baphinda lokho ku wrong
that's why ngithi it comes to a point ukuthi they prioritize a certain group of people okufunwa yibo yanthola but that's why ngithi i-confusion esala within the artists ama-DJs wethu the local DJs iba too much because manje uzofika next time ethi wena wayala ukuthi nidlala so kuyisikhathi sami wena wayala ukuthi nidlala but lami bengisadlala and mina i-time frame angiyitholanga and le 15 minutes ngidlala la so senginyomola njani versus ukuthi wena uzodlala isikhathi esingakanani
yeah okunye futhi okunye bese ku speculative lapha nomngane wami ne is something like ukuthi since there is like Vicro Deep and Shakes and Less ne my initial thoughts on what I had seen the outcome like be is this, let's say those not so talented not to undermine anyone ne mina ukubona kwami laba abangathi talent lichayela ngaphansi lapha I felt like they were going to be pushed into this like afternoon kind of thing because then most of the people that are going to be there is going to jump in yabona ebusuku yabo because then this event was like cheap 10 euro ngena so akukusokolisi kangaka yabo
but
Then-
my drill is uzadlala emini ne uyizophinda futhi entambama
yikho phela ngitsho
Bese
ukuthi ade
kuzwile
ngicabangele ukuthi
already.
vele lapha abanye kade kumele bathi ndoda
Cha,
sicela
laba
abanye
bazadlala
sicela
emini.
nisqueeze labanye emini
Then-
because then the crowd is still the same.
only to discover ukuthi it's two different events
No, yeah, vele was two different events. Thanditi birthday watwathi afternoon watwathi.
but what I thought ukuthi maybe
and
why not work
Shakes
together and
Less
try make one
Vicro.
thing happen why because it gets deeper than that ndoda into but kosam no
Go deeper papa.
me go deeper semphelele khona yena
Akula. There's something hiding, my man.
there's nothing in hiding.
Trabam, awusikhoda.
But no, overall event ended up happening. People bajabula, bathokoza, but
Yeah, I had a
that's why
friend.
it
I
is
had
the
a
people
friend of
behind
mine.
the scenes.
Yeah.
Ne? Thina yithi besithwele nzima.
I mean, I had a friend of mine who's been to Kuru for the first time. Surely, yeah, in Dublin, as other parts of Ireland. But she said it was nice. She had a nice time. Asked why I didn't come. They were like this and this and this. But yeah, and other people. Somebody told me there was a fight or something like.
There was a fight.
Yeah.
I don't engage in such. I don't engage in such.
There was a fight. I know. People talk, bro. There was a fight. I don't know if it's a girl or it's a boy who was fighting, but yeah. Anyways, as long as abantu bakholisile.
And enye into futhi, there are certain people out here. You people don't even know us. Where do you get the courage to come and treat us as if you know us?
bakwenzana.
Hey, ndoda.
Heavy. Let me see. Kuthani phela bakwenzana bafiyami.
All I can say is ukuthi ayikabi but mashona le ngqondo ezimbi kumele akuyekile khonokho. Says. No disclaimer no nothing but hayi ngqondo ezimbi phansi.
Wayenzana.
Hayi. That's all I'm gonna say.
Zimune fungwa dzakadhakwa.
Usikati ukuthini? What did you just say?
Atuti ane gonde fire.
Numba khona ndoda.
Khuluma ndoda msaba yini. Tshela nyenyezela mina.
Yeke. Manje alright.
Khuluma.
Indaba yakho ngayikhuluma man. Kuzatsha so akuyenzi
No,
ukuthi
khuluma,
hayi
hayi,
akuyenzi ukuthi ngikhuluma.
Wayelifihla. Wayelifihla kanti kuyachana already.
Kuyatsha ndoda ifuse ndoda.
Ifuse kabani?
Amafuse ndoda. Aphathe yabona ne
Bathenga amatsha.
nginothise into ezibhaya ndoda uthi haya. Akufuni njalo okunye lokunye.
Bayenzani mafam? Tshela mina.
Hanza kutshela mase siqede kovala amagazi. Gonna tell
Alright,
you
guys. So Westside last week it announced two. I don't know if I can say big, but there are 2 events in the span of 3-4 days. They are about to work, and I feel like they have Oscar Mbola or Scott Mapuma. That's
that one is bound to
that's the summer shutdown.
hayi nakhona yini West Side. In West we
West Side.
believe. Hlezi ngutshela. In West we believe. And by the way, enye into
Sesifisela nje ukuthi abantu bengayenzi khonokho like into bona uthe wena ubungakwazi ukuthi is 2 different events. Akona sifuni ukuthi kube lama event angu2 selifuna ukudlalelana emethi.
I think futhi indaba futhi kube yini indaba kube ukuthi sekugarena gwana ipose lapha.
No, but then lo vele ebesemina ngisho.
Angiyali but
Even last year she did a birthday emini.
angiyali.
2023 wayenza.
Yaqava indaba isuke kube ngaphi?
Sure.
Venue. Indaba
Venue.
isuke kube khona lapha venue. 2 different event organizers. Ustowa kumcimbi nami ngostowa endaweni eyi-1. Isibhubhubhu.
Maybe lozo hype abantu for the main event.
Maybe. But what I'm saying is I highly doubt ukuthi those terms were agreed upon.
Yeah, like there was bengikhuluma lo Malindi last week. Yeah. Last week ngihambe town khona ngeWednesday Tuesday ne.
Buza mina futhi.
No, ngiyasibuza. Yeah.
Oh, that day
yeah,
I think it was on
Tuesday.
Wednesday, Thursday.
Yeah, it was Tuesday. So
Okay.
uMalindi bekathi ukuthi like look at this thing. So ubonga ukuthi abantu kayenza event ngelanga eli1 like so yabo. Why is it la ama promoters like kungabi like sort of association like
My point exactly.
ukuthi kungabe the association is the control ukuthi you can't make an event because then sokulo muntu osele event ngelanga elithi. So it's not gonna be fair on them ukuthi wena so buya nge-event yakho. Yeah, though is a bit different location yabo. Lo no seyenzile no se advertisile because then so ngathi wena yeah guys ngenza event lapha ngibize uYoungstano for instance yabo. Mina mbuye ngidambi zo Oscar Mbo. Ubona ngathi event yakhe ingasila. Asile ndoda. So ngabuya abantu nje maybe abambalwa abasebekhangele maybe ama-cost lana kodwa ke laphana ku-Oscar Mbo ngathi kuyadura ngale ngapha kumaqhamulo ngathi kungcono yabo.
But for his sake, your reputation, I think ukuthi manje because we know which island we've got those people who promise us people but never deliver. That's why you but tonight only happened once. I think it only happened once.
No, yeah, maybe there might have been an issue.
That's why there might have been an issue, but
phela yabona into kungaka nje ukhiphela abantu into kungaka 2 lines akuchazi like akuchazisisi. It doesn't explain enough like ukuthi kahle njani. This maybe mina ungasitshela ireason ukuthi hayi guys maybe to talk maybe kwamyaleli ukugada cause ezinye izinto seke sizizwe kubayaleli ukuthi angena akala visa in but bafika abantu abanjalo lo file maybe bala ama visa. because then into le visa yakhona kwamele uqala uyenze first
before and no kwamele
Uyabo?
uqale approve
yikho phela
Approve,
kumele
then
ivisa yenze
ibuye,
kuqala
and then,
before
yeah.
kusiba i-event yabona.
that's why ngithi maybe that's how uViagra also got fucked up, who knows, indaba zama-visa. That's why ngithi nathi without explanation we do not know, all we have is predictions,
Yeah,
assumptions.
ama-conspiracy ukuthi laphana bayenzanga vele ngale yabo, so
But I'm not saying anything ukuthi delighting our stuff would still pop up. I don't
yeah
wanna
mina
lie.
ngingahamba
But still
ukuthi
pop
nje-
up. Hayi ukuthi manje sensithi no ngoba uhlele kulethu Viagra this time, but that no. For all every time since I've known it, Delight they've
No,
always
but then
delivered.
kulo muntu ombuzile yena wathi why ba-announce hours like a few hours before, why ba-announce a day before and stuff. Yeah, although there was a price deduction ukuthi 30 euro from I don't know was 50 or 40 something yabo.
Down to 30. But hayi enough ngendaba zenkwari ndoda. Hayi. Enough ngendaba zenkwari. Ngoba dog. Hayi.
Okay, let's wrap it up ngama events. So there's
So
Red
we've
Cup
got
coming. The Red Cup coming, ne?
Yeah, we've got the Red Cup coming this month.
On the 24th,
And then I think you website they had this long ass list of different dates.
yeah, like
Lapha
your website, they initially like took out a gig guide or something like that. It's gonna post all these things where we talk again, get to see them.
I know, but
Then-
are you West Yabaz?
Then 24th, I just say there's a Red Cup.
Red
1st
Cup
of
in
June,
Belfast.
It's outdoor event by Westside at Vela. Yeah, they said they wanna come up with different aesthetics. If I don't know if I'm saying the right word, yeah. They wanna come with different aesthetics, what for the 7th annual picnic or whatever.
You all white.
Yeah, so it's all white. But then they actually stressed the point when I was talking with them. There was like BK strictly white, no black or whatever and stuff. But ngiyanibona website angazi lo edit ama video lo umfake ngithola
ukudla. Hayi mngane uzithandela ukudla. Yeah.
hayi setha
Apha kakudla wedwa. Hayi izokubhike.
hayi
Utshela so iplate awufuni bombulo. Hayi
setha comment ka JD na ku post yakhona ku TikTok. But then yeah, so mana sibone yini okunye mafia okwenzakala endaweni these days. Besides some event.
Threshold. What is the threshold?
Yeah, I know there's like Miss Island, what?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's another one.
Any update on that? Mbani umazohambile?
The event has happened.
I don't know.
No,
but I
don't
think it did.
I'm not sure it did yet. I don't know if it was this previous weekend or what, but I know there's this other lady I follow on Instagram. Something in Kocha, Ivy Kocha, something like that. Then there's a Mtaka Malindi. Yeah, she was also a finalist in that thing. Then I've also come to know Nguti she's going to be like launching a business soon, like Fiselani or Fisela. Hey, what? So she's going to be selling some hair products and stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
Then abanye launch a business. I think there's Swedish. I don't know this lady's name, but she's a comedian. Then there's I don't know, is it Ubuntu? Did I say Ubuntu DJs or I don't know? There's like a yellow poster like going around. I don't know if you've seen it. Like I've seen about Sky Major. Yeah, like the guys like our Bantabanjang like about Sky Major. Like since we've heard him even on our podcast, he's pushing. I don't know what kind of business is opening, but it shows good abantu abawela bafike bakhulumela athi into yabo yaqhubeka yaphambili. They're determined. Because the other day I saw it was, I don't know what Phoenix FM, I don't know the numbers before Phoenix FM. Yeah, so I saw good. I clicked abantu bapush our president Tony, though he hasn't been here. I've seen he was there with Sky Match. I don't know if they were having like a duo set or something, but yeah. This is what I've just been noticing lately. And enye into is ithini kanti ifake kanjani?
Ufake exactly as is.
Yeah, enye into is quite a number of people said bona they are dropping in May. So guys, we are expecting ukuthi you stick to your words. You know, like some of the people have heard you
Talking what music?
yeah, because then umuntu uzabuya la simbuza ndoda wena should we expect like music something, then the guys be like soon. Like I won't lie, I'm disappointed in everyone except maybe the Fiasco brothers, Perezi, Scott.
I'm disappointed in
Everyone else who came, who's a musician, like it really let me down in the sense of ukuthi abanye is going to a year now
without no new
yeah,
music.
like ingoma yakhona sizwe last
Speaking
year.
of music, Umsenkosi.
Yeah, like yabona abantu
Umsenkosi
abanjengoMsenkosi asikabi laye
Aphatha lemyekeleni Umsenkosi.
yabona abantu bayapheka ndoda uyayibona ukuthi okay injiva le though maybe akakhiphanga album khiphile maybe single or two uyabona
But Umsenkosi phela is a producer.
yeah ngiyani
So besides ukuthi maybe his own music, bayingaka abantu aseka wabaproducer. You know, think of that as well.
yabo.
But Umsenkosi hayi no.
But then abanye abantu like abo Eugene was complaining, he was saying like PK uzobona ngathi like music angifuni ukukhipha and stuff, but it's the people that I work with. Uzothi umuntu senrecordile sokuqala mele kwenziwe lokho and stuff yabo. So some of the guys are complaining ukuthi uzathi usebenzisele lo muntu lo sokumele uqale kudinga uproducer lo onjani, but yeah, so abantu abasitshela ukuthi bayarelease ngoMay abo 2Kid abo Eugene Pro Kid, I don't know, but I've seen
but
he's
at
doing
the end of it all,
Dublin Vibes
Yeah,
remix.
Pro Kid is doing shoot Dublin Vibes South Africa manje currently.
Yeah, I'm ngibonile ngena Pro Kid lapha. Ngicwalelwe
ngamabhebi ngiwani la.
Hayi style yiso dala siyasibona sibonile style.
No, and I think uhlakaniphe ngani ne? Awula muntu lapho island ateza kuvuma lokho ya.
No, besides ukuthi maybe kungabe ku wrong, but then I think yeah, very
good
because then
ndoda.
kuzabe sesikhuluma phela.
Because
Sikhuluma thina kodwa alibonile bebhidela. Yabo, but then I felt like maybe ukusebenzisa abantu abangazwayo and stuff yabo.
hayi no, yathi tabeta ngazwa abantu
Asingabaziyo thina vele sengasake sibabone yabona.
Phela cause abanye abantu since bafika lapha island sebezitshela
Bajuice man.
sebezitshela manje ama chips ayazifrya aziphendula ama chips abantu sebezitshela phezulu kwabanye abantu akunzima
kunzima kanam. So yazini asidadinga ukukhuluma lo munye usisi so buye South Africa hlala khona eRed Cow yabo. So laphana ngiyafika lapha ngiyakhala ndoda vele yazi ngithi yazini lo mama uthengisa izinto la eRed Cow nama snacks yabo. Ngithi akungikweretise yini ongamagoslo lapha yazi this week benhlala isitokfela lapha so hey uyayidahla esikhwameni yabona. But ngiyakunika njani ungabuya next week. Bathi usisi lo wathi asivela ubhuti bekhaba omela vele. Ngithi hayi akusithi like siyawomela isathu yabona. sometimes imali vele ayikho athi ya vele ababhuti baseNigeria bangcono ini ngithi
Nakya.
okufana nayo yazini
Nakya.
into ekhona phela kuyafana nobhuti lo womNigeria lo those abekutshelile ukuthi yena ngilomfazi ngale khaya
Besides uthi lo mfazi bheka something ne ama-Nigeria usually not all of them ne but let's just say 60 or 70% of them you know ukuthi imali yakhona leyo abayithola they're not earning it ngendlela ezi right you know that much
but
so
besides
ayeke uzomcompare
besides
nomuntu
kwemali besides kwemali lani ne iyakwazi ukuthi indoda phela kuyafana nomuntu okutshele ukuthi ndoda mina lo munye umfazi ne lo muntu ongakhulumanga ukuthi lo munye umfazi at the end of the day yakufebela lo muntu lwana wena nje usivala ngokuthi lo acheri lwana lo mfazi lo uselele eNigeria lo wena ngodla imali ngakho umama nazi ngamangala mama lo mntwana bangithu mina yengabe nsidla imali ngaAfrica
ngithi that's what it has come to for women they really don't give a bollocks about anything as long as imali ihamba phambili
as long as kule mali
fuck everything
else
else
lina libheji lina amalabana basekhaya beNigeria bayabheja as long yena lo mNigeria noma bekufebele at least uza kufebela lo muntu ongawaziyo lo wasekhaya hle kufebele lo muntu wasekhaya ngasho ukuthi kafanana phela
ngakutshela nti no Nigerians are winning and I'm cool with that
I know it's not ukuthi
beyond my
mina
control most
as such but nje kwangimangalisa ukuthi kulabonto abadala abacabanga njalo ndoda ukuthi
bro wena let me tell you something yabona ingqondo yomfazi while she gets to let's just say after teenagehood so ngenile wena you early 20s bacabanga ngokufana bonke maybe omunye esangaba a level of thinking yakhe different but mali gijimisana phambili baba bafazi baby wants nails baby wants a hair done you know ningi so now as a man if ungasena mali stay away from that category hlala wedwa
zachayisa ngekhanda and umuntu wakhona even that same person ozabe ufuna umenzile all these things
chances akalayo la imali yakho
ngeke akwanise even nokugundisa once a month hayi naye hamba ogunda lapha yazi awusachazi these days
but angithi manje they are making men look weak for not having it all at some certain point in life
yena ulakho konke
that's the thing because women will literally make you feel bad for not having money while she don't even have it because yena she's in her mind she says ukuthi indoda must but who are you to tell me ukuthi indoda must have you been a man before
indoda must with your father first your father must lead by example well then umuntu uyabe ufuna uku-experience life angazange wa-experience la ngibo besakhula besides ukuthi isikhathi sesishiyene and the likes
but anyways I think the sooner we make peace with the fact ukuthi vele in life ne life will never be fair for men and there is nothing you can do about it you just have to adopt to it and keep it stepping otherwise uzohlezi ucomplainile it will never be fair in your relationship it will never be fair as a man nje your life will be hard so just start embracing it and well
I still doubt ukuthi Nigerians eat dogs and stuff if this guy comes here
let's wrap it up
try ngumota yemlandi
I've actually heard that before
try if you ever see stray dogs in Nigeria guys before we wrap it up what's your word of the day
word of the day umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu sikajwayelani nje kabi singalingi nje sijwayelane kabi yeah danko
Yeah.
What's your word of the day?
Damn girl.
Damn, girl.
What the
Oh,
hell,
that
yo?
means,
What the hell, yo?
Good.
Okay.
Eat up with more fight.
My word of the day is noma ungazuwe vuka usithintithe qhubeke.
Avuma ukufana nevele, fana nepipi. Ivele lingalisavuki. Elifana nepipi. Vuki yalalivuki. Akho.
Aba wethu ngabaqabula guys lawa. Danko.